destiny. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಮೂರು ಆಡಬಿಡ್ಡ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅರುಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅರುಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿருந்து ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕೆನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. All of us have decided this time our DK Arunamma will be sent to parliament as the voice of the people of Palamuru. Brothers and sisters, one of our senior most leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party, our national vice president, yesterday our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has come to Palamuru to campaign for Arunamma akka. Why did Narendra Modi ji come all the way to Palamuru yesterday? Because Narendra Modi ji wants Arunamma as the voice of Palamuru. That's why he has come yesterday in the historic function. Lots of people who have come, you all have spoken in one voice that Arunamma should represent the interest of Palamuru, to take the development of Palamuru to a different context. And more importantly, whenever you have given Arunamma a chance to serve you, ಯಾವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಅರುಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೌಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾರಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, as a minister of the undivided Andhra Pradesh for 10 continuous years, every single time Arunamma has stood for people of Palamuru. Every single time she brought development here. She undertook a Padayatra from Gatwal to Hyderabad as your representative, bringing the major lift irrigation projects to this region. Bhima irಬಹುದು, Kalvakurti irಬಹುದು, Koil Sagar irಬಹುದು, Lettanambad irಬಹುದು. Every single time she fought for you, she fought for the development of Palamuru. Now what is happening? Now TRS and Congress, they are abusing our Arunamma. They are speaking bad about our Arunamma. They are speaking lies about our Arunamma. Arunamma is a mother. Arunamma is a sister. But including the seat of Telangana, Revanth Reddy Garu, in a public stage, he is abusing Arunamma. Now Revanth Reddy Garu has to understand, abusing Arunamma in Palamuru means abusing every sister and mother of Palamuru. And every sister and mother of Palamuru on May 13th will teach a lesson to Revanth Reddy Garu that abuse of Arunamma will not be tolerated. Abuse of Arunamma will not be accepted. Speaking lies about Arunamma will not be accepted. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಮೇ 13ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಂದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ವೋಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ರೇವಂತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಉತ್ತರವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅರುಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ತಾಯಂದ್ರು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்முடைய தாய்மார்களாக இருக்கட்டும், பெண்களாக இருக்கட்டும், நம்முடைய அருணம்மா அவர்களை பழித்து பேசுவதை ஏற்றுக்கொள்ள மாட்டார்கள். மே 13ஆம் தேதி தங்களுடைய வாக்கு மூலமாக உத்தரவு கொடுப்பார். Brothers, I am able to speak your beautiful Telugu. I feel very guilty standing before you, but I am standing with you in your spirit. All of you have worked very, very hard over the last 30-40 days to make sure Arunamma should win from this place. Such senior leader of our party, national vice president, she deserves to win. As a minister, as an MLA, she has fought for the development of Palamuru at different points of time. Now we all know when Modi ji is going to come back to power with 400, more than 400 member of parliament, the voice of Palamuru, Arunamma should be the number one among the 400. That is why my sincere request to all of you, today the campaign will end in the next 4 hours, but our job is not over. We have the full today, we have the full tomorrow before the election box opens at 7 a.m. I request all the youth who are here. Last time Arunamma in 2019 election lost by a very thin margin, lost by 70,000 votes. This time it is our duty. Arunamma should win by a minimum of 4 lakh votes. Minimum of 4 lakh votes from Palamuru. And Revanth Reddy Garu, we all know, he speaks only lies. 6 guarantee he gave, not even a single guarantee is able to do. So 8 times the Chief Minister of Telangana has come to Palamuru to campaign against Arunamma. The CM knows he is losing. Revanth Reddy knows Congress is losing. That is why 8 times he has come, only out of fear of defeat, that Arunamma and all the people who are here and all the Karyakartas, people of Palamuru, they will teach Revanth Reddy Garu a fitting lesson on May 13. That is why the CM, who is afraid, is staying only in Palamuru, campaigning here. Brothers and sisters, we all know a Congress MP is not going to do anything extra. A TRS MP cannot do anything. But a BJP MP, Arunamma, is a powerful voice in Telangana. She is going to be a powerful voice of Palamuru. And this powerful voice in the parliament can get anything for Palamuru. She can directly talk to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi garu. She can get anything for us. And if you look at the manifesto which our Amma has given for us, Arunamma ka hami, Modi ka guarantee. Amma has brought us not only development, not only Arogya Kshetra, not only Yuva Shakti, not only Atmanirbhar, Mehboob Nagar, not only clean, green and Swachh Mehboob Nagar, not only make it Mehboob Nagar, not only digital Mehboob Nagar, spiritual Mehboob Nagar. Akka, in one page, very simply, Arunamma has said, this is the change. Self-respect. Congress in power, even if they give 500,000 per vote, self-respect of Palamuru cannot be bought. That is why I am very confident, looking at this historic roadshow, looking at all your spirit. All of us are Arunamma, only not one Arunamma. All of us in Palamuru, all of us in Mehboob Nagar, all of us are Arunamma. Till May 13th, 6 p.m., the voting box is closed. I request all of you, some of the historic decisions Modi ji has taken. Abolition of Article 370, building up of Ram Temple, taking 25 crore people out of poverty, bringing development to the nook and cranny, giving 9 lakh crore to the development of Telangana, bringing principle into politics, no corruption in politics, putting India first, keeping our enemies outside the border, no bomb blast, building airport, ports, roads, every single thing what Modi ji has done. I request the people of Palamuru, please say Dhanyavad through your vote. Please say thank you to Modi ji through your vote. Your vote is very, very powerful. Arunamma deserves to be in parliament. Arunamma deserves to be the voice of Palamuru. Arunamma can get things done. And Arunamma is the future of Palamuru. Whoever has abused our Arunamma, whoever has spoken lies about our Arunamma, whoever has abused our mothers and sisters of Palamuru, I only request you, we will teach the Congress and TRS a fitting lesson through our vote. Brothers and sisters and mothers, our vote is in button number 1. Button 1, the winning button, is Arunamma. All we have to do is press button number 1 for the vision of Mehboob Nagar, for the development of Mehboob Nagar, for the security of Mehboob Nagar. No corruption in Mehboob Nagar. For Jai Shri Ram, you got to press button number 1. For Viksit Bharat, you got to press button number 1. For Mehboob Nagar Palamuru's development, please press button number 1. For keeping Congress out of our country, please press button number 1. For a government without corruption, please press button number 1. For our local mother who is born here, served here, family is here, relatives are here. Simply speaking, our Palamurus, Ada Bitta, it is important you press 1, button number 1, where Arunamma can win with a historic margin, with a record margin of more than 4 lakh votes. I request you humbly, please send Arunamma to Parliament. Whatever money power, CM can spend all his corruption money in Palamuru. but people of Palamuru is going to make Arunamma to win with a record margin of 4 lakh votes. With this, I thank everybody who has come. I once again offer my apologies for not speaking in Telugu. Next time when I come to Mehboob Nagar, I will 100% speak in Telugu. I request all the friends and young friends to stand with Akka today, tomorrow. Make sure our voting booths are properly monitored. Today and tomorrow, go to all house. After the campaign overs at 5 o'clock, our youth should visit all house today, tomorrow, silently with less than 5 people. Request everybody to vote for Lotus and symbol number 1. Request everybody to vote for Arunamma. Our should bloom. This area should it should come out of, we all know, this is one of the driest place of Telangana. If there is a major irrigation project, it is only Arunamma who can bring major irrigation project by speaking to Modi Garu and taking Palamuru and Mehboob Nagar out of this dry region status. All the leaders who are with us and our Kolar MP, Munusami Anna is with us, and all our youth who are here, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅರುಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಮೊದಲ ಬಟನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿருந்து பாராளுமன்ற கழிಸಬೇಕು. மறுபடியும் உங்களிடம் வேண்டி விரும்பி கேட்டுக்கொள்கின்றேன், அருணம்மா அவர்களை முதல் பட்டன்ல வெற்றி பெற செய்து பார்லிமெண்ட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் அனுப்பி வைக்க வேண்டும் என்று. I request you once more, please make Arunamma to win by pressing button number 1 and send her to parliament at the voice of Palamuru. ధన్యవాదాలు, నమస్కారం, వణకం, నంది.
ఈ రోజు ఒక గొప్ప నాయకుడు మన భారతదేశంలో ఒక పక్క భారతదేశాన్ని రక్షిస్తూ భారతదేశం వైపు శత్రువులు కన్నెత్తకుండా చేసినటువంటి కొదమ సింహం నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు. మిమ్మల్ని కోరుతా ఉన్నా, మిగతా విషయాలన్నీ అన్నమలయ్య గారు మాట్లాడతారు. మన పాలమూరు విషయానికి వచ్చి 2 విషయాలు నేను చెప్పదలుచుకున్నా. పాలమూరు బిడ్డలారా, ఈ పాలమూరు యొక్క అభివృద్ధి కోసం, ఈ పాలమూరులో నిలబడినటువంటి 3 అభ్యర్థులను చూస్తే, ఈ పాలమూరులో ఈరోజు పోటీ చేసినటువంటి పార్టీని చూస్తే, ఈ దేశం కోసం పనిచేసే పార్టీ ఏది, ఈ దేశం ప్రజల కోసం, ఈ రోజు దేశ ప్రజల అభివృద్ధి కోసం అహర్నిశలు కృషి చేస్తున్నటువంటి నాయకుడు ఎవరు? మరి పాలమూరు యొక్క గడ్డ కోసం అభివృద్ధి చేసినటువంటి సత్తా ఉన్నటువంటి నాయకురాలు ఎవరని ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా గ్రామాల ఒక్కరు నిలబడ్డారు. కాంగ్రెస్ నుంచి, టిఆర్ఎస్ నుంచి, మన పార్టీ భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ నుంచి నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు ఇవాళ ఆశీర్వదించి పాలమూరు పార్లమెంట్ టికెట్, మీ పాలమూరు బిడ్డ ఈ ప్రజల కోసం ఎన్నో అభివృద్ధి పనులు చేసింది, జిల్లాకు సేవ చేస్తుంది, నా యొక్క లక్ష్యాన్ని నెరవేరుస్తుందని నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు విశ్వసించి నాకు పాలమూరు నుంచి పార్లమెంట్ పోటీ చేసేటువంటి అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చిండు. మరి ఈ రోజు మీరందరూ కూడా ఊరూరా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఏకమై ఈ 2 రోజులు మన గ్రామాల్లో ఉండి భారీ మెజార్టీ ప్రతి బూత్ లో వచ్చే విధంగా 370 ఆర్టికల్స్ రద్దు చేసిన నేపథ్యంలో పోయిన ఎన్నికల్లో ఏ బూత్ లో ఎన్ని ఓట్లు వచ్చినా 370 ఓట్లు ఎక్కువ తెచ్చుకున్నా ప్రతి ఒక్క కార్యకర్త చేయాలని చెప్పి సందర్భాన్ని నేను కోరుతా ఉన్నా. ఈరోజు యొక్క పాలమూరు బిడ్డ యొక్క కీర్తి, పాలమూరు ప్రజల యొక్క గొంతు ఈరోజు ఈ దేశంలో నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు పార్లమెంట్ లో మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి అవకాశం చేసుకొని ఈ పాలమూరుని అభివృద్ధి చేసుకోవడానికి కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ వాళ్ళు తిడుతున్న మాటలు మీరు అందరు చూస్తున్నారా? రేవంత్ రెడ్డి ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు? ఓడిపోతామనేటటువంటి భయంతోన మోదీ గారిని తిడుతున్నాడు. ఒక పక్క రిజర్వేషన్ల గురించి అన్నమలయ్య చెప్తాడు. మోదీ గారిని ఒక పక్క ఈ రోజు దేశం కోసం చేస్తున్నటువంటి మోదీ గారిని ఓర్వలేక చూడలేక ఈరోజు కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ అనేకమైనటువంటి అబద్ధాలు మాట్లాడడం కాదు, నోటికి వచ్చినట్టు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. మరి ఈరోజు ఒక బిడ్డను కూడా చూడకుండా రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి నోటికి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. పాలమూరు బిడ్డలే కనుక మన బిడ్డలైతే పాలమూరు బిడ్డలందరూ కూడా మన ఆడబిడ్డలు అగౌరవపరిచినటువంటి కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ 6 గ్యారంటీలతో ప్రజలను మోసం చేసిన కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీని, ఈ దేశ కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీని ఇవాళ మట్టి కనిపించాల్సినటువంటి అవసరం ఉంది. రేపు 13వ తేదీ ఎల్లుండని చెప్పి మీకు అందరూ తెలియజేసుకుంటూ భారత్ మాతాకి మరొకసారి గట్టిగా